contended that the government's actions, particularly with regards to the Aadhaar scheme, violated this fundamental right. The Union of India, on the other hand, argued that the right to privacy is not a fundamental right under the Indian Constitution. They claimed that the Aadhaar scheme was a necessary measure to ensure transparency and accountability in government functioning. The hearings were marked by intense debates, with both sides presenting robust arguments. The court had to carefully consider the implications of recognizing the right to privacy as a fundamental right under the Indian Constitution. As the hearings progressed, the court grappled with the complexities of balancing individual privacy with the need for transparency in government functioning. The petitioners argued that the Aadhaar scheme threatened the very fabric of individual privacy, while the Union of India maintained that it was a necessary measure to ensure accountability. The court had to navigate the intricacies of constitutional law, balancing competing interests and rights. This was no easy task, as the judgment would have far-reaching implications for Indian democracy and individual freedoms. After months of deliberation, the Supreme Court of India delivered its verdict on August 24, 2017. In a landmark judgment, the court recognized the right to privacy as a fundamental right under the Indian Constitution. The judgment was hailed as a major victory for individual rights and freedoms, marking a significant turning point in Indian legal history. The court's ruling was based on the principles of dignity, autonomy, and liberty. The judges emphasized that the right to privacy is an intrinsic part of human life, essential for the development of an individual's personality. The judgment was not without its challenges, however. The court had to navigate the complexities of balancing individual privacy with the need for transparency in government functioning. One of the significant challenges was addressing the concerns around public opinion and media coverage. As the case unfolded, there were intense debates in the media and among the general public, with some arguing that the right to privacy was being overstated. Despite these challenges, the court remained committed to upholding the principles of justice and individual rights. The judgment marked a significant shift in the legal landscape, recognizing the right to privacy as a fundamental right under the Indian Constitution. The implications of the judgment were far-reaching, impacting the way we understand privacy and transparency in India. The recognition of the right to privacy as a fundamental right under the Indian Constitution has significant implications for individual freedoms and democracy. It marks a major victory for human rights, emphasizing the importance of dignity, autonomy, and liberty. The judgment also has significant implications for the government's duty to ensure transparency in its functioning. It emphasizes the need for accountability and responsible governance, ensuring that individual rights are protected. The common cause, 2 and 2, Union of India case has set a crucial precedent, shaping the discourse around privacy and transparency in India. As we reflect on the significance of this landmark judgment, it's essential to recognize its impact on Indian democracy and individual rights. The case has emphasized the importance of upholding individual rights and freedoms, while also recognizing the need for transparency and accountability in governance. The common cause bar, Union of India case is a testament to the Indian judiciary's commitment to upholding individual rights and freedoms. It marks a significant milestone in Indian legal history, shaping the discourse around privacy and transparency in India. In conclusion, the common cause verdicts. Union of India case is a landmark judgment that has had far-reaching implications for privacy and transparency in India. As we've seen, the case has emphasized the importance of individual rights and freedoms, recognizing the right to privacy as a fundamental right under the Indian Constitution. It's essential to understand the implications of this judgment as it continues to shape the discourse around privacy and transparency in India. If you're interested in exploring more about landmark Supreme Court cases and their impact on Indian democracy, be sure to check out our other videos on the topic. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the common cause view, Union of India case and its implications for privacy and transparency in India. Do share your comments and questions in the section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.